In some cases, we may not have much control over the tobacco ecosystem because the landscape is evolving so fast.
The other big challenge we have in our region is very stiff tobacco industry interference, and mainly is through high-level political influence, including lobbying, in order to derail, delay, or even disrupt tobacco control policies, including now the new push for the new and emerging products, which the industry claims to be less harmful products, crafted in a manner that is so convincing, they look so real that any government, unless well-informed, then they are likely to take up misleading directions.
The tobacco industry is too litigious, shifting goalposts every other time. And at times it bullies governments and it takes away their self-esteem.
The main areas of focus for them is to delay implementation of these policies, to distract government and provide disinformation. The same tactics that the tobacco industry has used are the same tactics being employed by big alcohol in Kenya.
These kinds of opportunities create some solidarity in the fight against the tobacco industry.
So we are also trying to build the capacity of government in order to be able to detect and actually counter tobacco industry interference.
This unique skill that we get from the program of Maccabee should be at least resourced in country. We need more human resources for legal firewall and foolproofing.
We've had participants from a diverse range of African countries, and I think the biggest impact has been seeing laws being adopted over the years, sometimes taking a while, but eventually after people come for the training, they go back home, they draft laws, they draft decrees, they draft regulations. And so seeing the legal landscape changing over the years has been really fulfilling. So particularly like from Kenya, where I come from, we have had a legal challenge that took 6 years. And so the state council that was defending that case came to our training. We helped them identify what are the industry arguments, what are the responses that they can make in response, and then supported them as they defended that court case over the 6 years.
The industry is targeting the youth in our region by use of the e-cigarettes, which are coming in so fanciful shapes and colors and flavors in order to actually lure these young people into using these products.
The key challenges in the Pacific countries is tobacco industry interference, regardless if the country importing the tobacco product or producing locally.
Tobacco business is kind of a influential business in Bangladesh. Unfortunately, there is a legal challenge by the tobacco industry against the emerging tobacco products ban. The tobacco industry take it to the court, and there are several cases they filed. Some of the ministries actually provided us information, comments that is actually linked with the tobacco industry. Tobacco industry misled the information and provided the wrong information to the government.
Top two are tobacco industry interference and of course enforcement issues, because we're always resource constrained. So those are our main challenges right now, the way that they're fighting off any pro-health policies that we're pursuing.
I believe I found my calling in tobacco control, and since that day I have not turned back. I'm steady in the fight against tobacco. Slowly but surely I was learning a lot about the tobacco industry, how they are pushing this addiction in our community.